Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very spicy and yummy crab gravy. You can check the description box for the detailed ingredients list. First clean and cut the crab. Here we are going to use 2 kg of crab. Let's start. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now I am going to add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute well until it turns to golden brown. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and some curry leaves. Saute well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste went off. Now I am going to add 5 tablespoons of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's a very spicy recipe. You can adjust the quantity of chilli powder for your spice preference. Now the masala is ready, so that I'm going to add the ground tomato juice. I used 4 to 5 tomatoes and some coriander leaves. And also add the turmeric water. 1 orange size of turmeric is enough. Add some salt for our taste. Mix it thoroughly and let it be cooked for 15 minutes. Now the raw smell went off. This is the right time to add the coconut milk. I used a medium size of 1 coconut for this. Mix it well and let it be cooked for 5 to 6 minutes. Five minutes over, I'm going to add the crab. Crab is packed with high protein, vitamins and minerals. It prevents us from anemia and it's good for your heart and it keeps our brain strong. Mix it thoroughly. Let it be cooked for 10 minutes in a medium flame so that we can close the lid. Now 10 minutes over, we are getting awesome smell. Our crab also cooked very well. Now our gravy is filled with crab juice. So it smells excellent. Finally, we can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Finally, give a nice mix. That's all. Now our yummy crab gravy is ready to serve. Switch off the stove. Please try the spicy crab gravy at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.